Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your speaker SONY on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write SONY. Then search. And you should install this application. Now open it. Hello. Choose your region and then click on I read. Then next, agree, OK, allow, close. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.